Hello, I'm Kathy, and I'm delighted to present to you the label and package printing industry's greatest achievements from 2019. This year has been unprecedented, so all the more reason to celebrate everything that makes this industry so special through the Label Industry Global Awards 2020 and this very special announcement. Our thanks go out to this year's sponsor, Avery Dennison. We have 5 awards to present to innovative companies and individuals from the many submissions we received. Thank you to everyone for taking the time to enter. But before we do so, here's Managing Director of the Label Expo Global Series, Lisa Milbourne, to tell you more.
To say there has never been a year like this one would be an understatement. The world has changed for all of us in ways beyond our imagination. But what hasn't changed is what drives our dynamic industry, people. People collaborating, innovating, and motivating others to create something truly incredible. This year's Label Industry Global Awards celebrate the passion, dedication, and drive that continue to fuel our industry's constant reinvention. What unites our shortlist and winners is their standout brilliance, whether through their innovation, leadership, or sustainability. Their commitment is inspirational, representing everything worth celebrating in label and package printing. So even though we cannot celebrate in person this year, this recognition of their efforts is no less commendable and cannot be underestimated. Before we reveal this year's winners, I'd like to firstly extend my congratulations to Federico D'Annunzio, winner of the prestigious individual R. Stanton Avery Global Achievement Award. Now more than ever, it's crucially important that we celebrate the achievements of people like Federico and companies at all levels in our industry. Thank you for helping us honour our industry's greatest successes from 2019.
Lisa, thank you. And now on to the awards. Judges this year, under the chairmanship of Mike Fairley, founder, Label Academy and strategic consultant, Label Expo, were Chris Ellison, president of FENAT; Craig Moreland, former chairman, TLMI; James Quirk, Group Managing Editor, Labels and Labeling; John Ponset, Editor-in-Chief of MP Medias; and Greg Hernia, Editor of Label and Narrow Web. Our first award of 2020 is the Label Industry Global Award for Innovation for companies with up to 300 employees. This is for a specific innovation by a supplier or converter company in the label industry introduced during 2019. The shortlisted companies are GEW EC Limited, GMG Color, Technocut. And the winner is GMG Color. The judges' comments were: the GMG Color Card digital proofing system, highlighted by the judges, enables printers to achieve significant time and cost savings. Proofs are color accurate first time with very tight delta tolerances. Substrate changes can be quickly recalculated and printed with color cards, easily including the addition of tints, tolerances, or barcodes.
We're really honoured to have won this Innovation Award for GMG Color Card, and it was developed by our fantastic innovation team in Germany, so I'm going to hand the award over to them.
We are so proud to receive this award for our simple, precise and efficient GMG Color Card solution.
Thank you very much for this.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, GMG Color. Now on to our second award, the Label Industry Global Award for Innovation for companies with more than 300 employees. The shortlisted companies are Avery Dennison, HP Indigo, Lens SE, Paper Machine Converting Company. In this category, we had 2 equally deserving winners. They are Lens SE and Paper Machine Converting Company. The judges commented for Lens SE. The use of data already available in a press servo drive to provide smart conditioning monitoring instead of adding extra sensors was regarded by the judges as a look into the future, providing enhanced information to improve the building, efficiency, maintenance, and running of machines. And for Paper Machine Converting Company, the judges commented, developed completely in-house, the PCMC Meridian Elite laser ablation technology for analogs cleaning completely eliminates the possibility of hot spots, provides higher performance and reliability, and allows customers to have complete documentation of the cleaning process for the life cycle of their analogs.
Dear jury, we are really excited to receive the award for innovation. Thank you for choosing our smart condition monitoring concept. With our solution, customers will be able to detect problems long before a production quality drop or machine failure occurs. This is an absolute must, especially in a high-speed and high-quality industry like the label industry. Thanks again for the award.
Thank you. We are truly honored to receive this award for our Meridian Elite Laser Analogs Cleaner. At PCMC, we continue to strive to provide innovative solutions to the label industry. We had a lot of engineers and associates that worked really hard at developing this product, so getting this award really means the world to us. Thank you.
Congratulations, Lens SE and Paper Machine Converting Company. Our third award is the Environmental and Sustainability Award. This award is for a specific sustainable product or process by a supplier converter company in the label industry introduced during 2019. The shortlisted companies are Avery Dennison Brazil, Phocion Technology. And the winner is Avery Dennison Brazil. The judges' comments were the implementation of a circular program to connect converters, brand owners, recyclers, and others to direct waste that would have previously been discarded in landfills into the production of cellulose paper and subsequently into paper towels was recognized by the judges as a blueprint for the future development of the industry.
Hello, I'm very happy and honored to receive the Label Industry Award recognition. Thank you very much on behalf of Avery Dennison. As you know, one of our 2025 global sustainability goals is to reduce the waste generated by our liner and matrix by 70% to our customers. So basically what we did, we created this circular program which was connecting the dots between us, our customers, our end users, and logistics company, and trying to find an economically viable solution. It took us 3 years. It was a great project from diagnosis to pilot phase, and on January 2019 we were able to open this to a bigger group of companies. So I have to congratulate our team from procurement, R&D, marketing, sales, EHS, and sustainability, and also communications. They all have worked hard and got excellent results. And I also would like to thank our customers and our end users that participated in the program. I hope that this is the first step to a bigger group and to create a much better sustainability solutions and to help the planet. Thank you.
Congratulations, Avery Dennison Brazil. Now on to the Label Industry Global Award for Rising Star, sponsored by the Label Academy and Avery Dennison. This award recognizes the achievements of emerging talent in the label and packaging industry who represent the next generation of leaders. The shortlisted individuals are Andrew M. Boyd, Blue Label Packaging Company, Elizabeth Yarosek, Yarosek Labels, Jesse Freitas, Sticker Giant, Lindsay Muchka, Taylor Label Products, Inc., Vineeth Bandari, Divya Impex, and the winner is Elizabeth Yarosek. The judges commented that Elizabeth joined Yarosek Label full-time in 2017. Immersing herself in the industry, she was quick to join the Workforce Development Committee at TLMI and helped to co-chair 2 very successful sessions at the 2019 Print Think meeting. Elizabeth is a team lead at Yarosek for the Product Development Cross-Functional Team and successfully launched Yarosek's label, Sustained Label line. Elizabeth has become a key figure in the growth of Yarosek Label.
I'm honored and humbled to be the second recipient of the Rising Star Award. Thank you to the Label Industry Global Awards for the important work that you do moving our industry forward. My experiences over the past 3 years of my career have far exceeded anything I could have imagined. I've found that the ability to make an impact in print is endless, and I've learned from those around me what a true label leader represents. To your Recic label, our customers, suppliers, industry colleagues, and friends, thank you.
Congratulations, Elizabeth. And now to the final award of 2020, the R. Stanton Avery Global Achievement Award. Here's chairman of this year's judging panel, Mike Fairley.
The award has been sponsored by Avery Dennison ever since an awards evening was reintroduced some 17 years ago. We're extremely grateful to them for making the awards possible. The criteria for this award, related to industry innovation on a global basis, are as follows. The person must have made a significant innovation idea or supported the growth of an innovation idea that has transformed and progressed the label industry, has made a key contribution to the promotion and growth of the industry, has been a high-profile industry influencer and motivator, operates on a national or international scale. This year's winner of the award is Federico D'Annunzio, a passionate and innovative driver of digitizing the label printing process. He was the recommended choice of the judging panel, who I'd like to personally thank for all their valuable time and judging considerations. To tell us more about this year's winner and how he met the awards criteria, I would ask Jeroen Diederich, Vice President and General Manager, Label and Graphic Materials, North America, to say a few words.
This year's winner of the Stan Avery Global Achievement Award is a passionate and innovative leader and embodies the values of our founder, R. Stanton Avery. Federico D'Annunzio has been a driving force in digitizing the label and printing process. He has had an enviable 31-year career in the label industry. As an active member of FINAT for several years, he helped focus the association on new ideas to drive the industry and the organization of label printers forward. He was also instrumental in setting up Revo, an industry team to promote and optimize extended color gamut (ECG) in the label industry to avoid press stops to change inks. He established the UV Food Safe Group, a cooperation between key industry representatives to promote the use of UV inks to expand the label market into the world of packaging printing. After the acquisition of Due, Federico took on a senior technology innovation role at Bobst. Federico grew up in Milan, Italy, and is happily married and has 3 wonderful daughters. He enjoys spending his free time with his friends and family, enjoying life. Federico also enjoys reading, learning, and still looking for opportunities to innovate. Please join me in congratulating Federico D'Annunzio. We are delighted to present him with the Stan Avery Global Achievement Award.
Ciao, my name is Federico D'Annunzio and I come from a very famous family in Italy of poets and art gallerists. And the first question, why did you enter the label industry? Because I wanted to avoid any kind of advantage which was given by my name. So I started in an industry which didn't know anything about my family. So how did I do it? It's quite funny. I ended my studies in law and I opened the yellow pages. At that time you had the yellow pages, and I looked and I scrolled all the different jobs available, and I pointed my attention to 2 jobs. One was vinegar, 2 products. One was vinegar and the other one was printing machines. Well, at that time, like in Latin countries, you always ask your parents. So I asked them, do you know anybody in one of these 2 industries? And they knew someone in the printing industry. In fact, not really in the printing industry, in the folding carton industry. So I started there for about 3-4 months just to be introduced in the industry. And then in 1990, I had my first drupa. I was already an entrepreneur at that time, and I went around the drupa and I found this wonderful world of the label industry. There were these specific machines which were creating marvels, these labels, which were at the end the industrial reproduction of beauty. Beauty was made available to a lot of people. Not only one person could take the beauty, but many people could take the beauty, and it was reproduced in these labels which could go to the packaging, and the people could buy the packaging and buy the packaging as a gift. So I was really fascinated by this industry. First of all, it's a very ethical industry. This fact that you are sharing the beauty as the real value, which is cross-uniting the whole industry, makes that everybody is honest, or this was my perception through 30 years of work. People are honest, people are hungry, people are ready to change. It's a clean industry, it's an ethical industry, and I was very proud for all these years to be part of the industry. So after 30 years of work, I had this vision to change the industry, and now we have an industry which is standardized, which is digitized, which is efficient, and keeps this ethical mood which makes the difference of this industry. So who I have to thank? When I received the call from Mike Farley, who is the guru of our industry, after probably Centenary, Mike is the one who continued the disruption in our industry. But I was extremely happy and satisfied. But I felt that this was not only the award for me, it was the award for the whole industry in a way, and for the suppliers who have collaborated with me, the people in the companies, the different companies who work with me, and we all work together, and the customers who always were a source of innovation. They were the real drivers of the innovation. So I thank everybody. Of course, I thank my family, I thank my friends who supported me and all my activities during also the bad times. It's easy to support when the good times are there, but when it's tough, it's tough. Now, what's next after 2020? Now we are here in this difficult year. Don't worry, it's going to be okay. It's going to be tough, but we will probably learn something also from this bad year, and that the future is collaboration, is cooperation. You will see a lot of disruption happening in the next 10 years. You will see that the silos that we are used to work with are totally going to change. Digitization will be a given, but the changes in the industry will be in the business models. So, thank you very much, and thank you again for all these 30 years of work together, and never stop learning. Ciao.
I'm sure you'll join me in congratulating Federico, along with all our winners. Thank you to our judging panel and to everyone for taking part in this year's Label Industry Global Awards 2020.
The world is changing fast, but one thing that remains constant during these challenging times.
Great labels make great products.
And customer demand for those products has surged these last few months around the world.
That demand is reflected in the growth of high-end label and package printing.
Behind every one of those fantastic products, there are committed people who continue to collaborate, create, innovate, and motivate.
While we can't celebrate all of this in person this year,
we can revel in knowing our industry continues to evolve at the forefront of technology.
In these Label Industry Global Awards 2020, you see the best of the best that our industry has to offer and the inspiring people behind them.
So, big or small, local or international, keep on collaborating, innovating, and moving forward.
And we will all celebrate however far apart we are.